Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have these. This is going to be some shelves. We're going to assemble it here, and let's see how it comes out. What is it? And this is what it looks like set up. Kind of got that steampunk look. Could probably put a trophy or something on there. Probably put that one on here. Put that, oh, is it gonna be too tall? It's gonna be too tall for that one. Might have to put it on this one here, but you get the idea. You can put things on it and whatever else. Probably put some smaller things on it just because that's where it is. Super cool, thumbs up. I like the shelves.